In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text font on Yahoo Mail in a quick and simple way. If you've ever wanted your emails to look cleaner, more professional, or just a little more personalized, changing the font is one of the easiest ways to do it. The best part is that you can do it right inside Yahoo Mail without any extra tools. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your inbox, look for the Compose button and click it to open a new email. This is where you'll be able to change the formatting before you start writing with. After the new message window appears, look along the bottom or top of the compass box for the formatting options. You should see an A icon, which is the formatting button. Click that icon to reveal the text formatting tools. Once the formatting toolbar opens, find the font style option. This is where Yahoo Mail lets you choose different fonts like Arial, Times New Roman, and other available styles. Click the font style drop-down menu, then select the font you want to use. As soon as you choose it, any new text you type will appear in that font. If you already typed something and want to change it, just highlight the text first, then choose the font style so it applies to the selected words. This is especially useful if you want to emphasize a section of your email or make it match a certain tone. You can also adjust other formatting options at the same time, like bold, italic, underline, or text size, if you want your email to look even better. After you've selected the font you want, start typing your message normally. Yahoo Mail will keep using that font until you change it again. If you want to switch fonts later in the same email, simply highlight a different section and choose a new font style from the menu. That makes it very easy to mix and match styles when needed. If you don't see the formatting options right away, make sure you're in the full Compose window and not a simplified view. Sometimes the toolbar is hidden until you click into the message body or expand the email editor. Once you know where the A formatting icon is, changing fonts becomes very fast, and that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to change the text font on Yahoo Mail, whether you're typing a new message or editing selected text. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your emails look. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.